Welcome back, gentlemen. I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley, and today we're uncovering something that's creating a real buzz in men's health. A simple green leaf extract you can add to your water that might be the missing link in your testosterone puzzle. No miracle pill, no gimmick, just science. I've used this with my own patients and the results are remarkable. If you're a man over 50 who wants his energy, drive, and performance back, you'll want to see this. The case study: Michael's transformation. Let me introduce you to Michael, 53. He was eating well, working out, sleeping fine, yet something was off. Low energy, slower recovery, fading drive. His testosterone levels were borderline. Instead of synthetic hormones, I started him on a simple green protocol built around Morina leaf extract. 6 months later, his testosterone rose 32%, and more importantly, he felt alive again. That's the kind of change we're talking about today. Morina, the foundation of the green protocol. Morina oleifera, the miracle tree, is rich in over 90 nutrients and 46 antioxidants. It supports testosterone production by fueling Leydig cells, protecting them from oxidative damage, and stimulating hormone signaling. Studies show increases of up to 43% in testosterone in some models. Add 5 to 10 grams of Morina powder to water and sip throughout the day for steady absorption. It's nature's way of recharging your male vitality. Nettle root, protecting your free testosterone. As men age, testosterone gets converted into estrogen by an enzyme called aromatase. Nettle root fights back by blocking aromatase, preserving your testosterone. It also binds SHBG, the protein that traps testosterone, keeping more of it free and active. This means stronger muscles, less belly fat, and better stamina. Use 300 to 600 milligrams of nettle root extract daily. Combined with Morina, it's a true 1-2 punch for hormone optimization. Spirulina and chlorella, the green duo. Spirulina and chlorella, microalgae superfoods, pack protein, zinc, B vitamins, and chlorophyll. Spirulina boosts testosterone and sperm health, while chlorella detoxifies your body from endocrine-disrupting toxins that lower testosterone. Together, they nourish, protect, and purify. Add 3 to 5 g of spirulina and 2 to 3 g of chlorella to your daily water mix for nutrient power and gentle detox. Matcha, clean energy, better hormone balance. Matcha green tea powder delivers clean, steady energy while supporting testosterone balance. Its EGCG antioxidants help control estrogen levels, and mild aromatase inhibition complements nettle root. Plus, the natural caffeine-L-theanine combo boosts focus without jitters. 1 teaspoon per day is enough to support vitality and mental clarity. Perfect for your morning or midday drink. Parsley, peppermint, and wheatgrass, the finishing touches. Parsley extract provides apigenin, a compound shown to raise testosterone by up to 50% in cell studies. Peppermint reduces stress, aiding testosterone indirectly, while wheatgrass adds chlorophyll, vitamin E, and detox power. Each of these supports circulation, relaxation, and cellular protection. Mix and match based on your needs: parsley for testosterone, peppermint for calm, wheatgrass for recovery. Building your daily protocol. Start simple. Morina and nettle root are your foundation. Add matcha for energy, chlorella for detox, and spirulina for protein support. Combine them in your water bottle and sip throughout the day. Consistent, steady nourishment. Within weeks, you'll feel more energy, motivation, and drive. Within months, real changes in strength, confidence, and vitality. This is sustainable hormone health, not a quick fix. Final thoughts. Consistency in testing. Quality matters. Always choose organic, third-party tested ingredients. Get your testosterone levels checked before starting and again after 3 to 6 months to track progress. This isn't a miracle. It's nutrition done right. Give your body consistent support and watch your vitality return. Remember, you're not getting older. You're upgrading your fuel system. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with a friend who deserves to feel like himself again. Comment below. Which of these green ingredients are you most excited to try? I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley, reminding you that the best investment you can make is in your own vitality. Stay consistent, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.